Hello everyone, and you're welcome to another episode. Today's recipe is chicken with vegetables. This video is everything. Please watch till the end. Don't miss it for anything. All right, let's go. Here is my potato, which I've already cut in small chunks. I'm going to add a little amount of salt and bring it to a boil. I'm not going to let it cook too much, okay, because I'm going to fry it. So in another pan, I added my vegetable oil. Then I added my potatoes. I'm going to fry till it is tender like this. Then I'm going to add oil on the pan again and then start with the vegetables. So first I added my onions with garlic. I'm going to, of course, let it fry before adding the other vegetables. So here I added my red and green bell pepper. I'm going to, of course, stir carefully, and then here is my chicken in the air fryer. It's almost cooked, like almost ready. So now I added my broccoli. Guys, remember that vegetables are always very healthy. Like, they have a lot of health benefits that they do for the body. We all know that broccoli is very healthy. It is good for the immune system. Same way with the other vegetables as well. So I added my pepperoni, the red, green, and yellow pepperoni, guys, because I always like my food to be spicy, like hot, you know. So now I added a little amount of salt. Then I'm going to add my black pepper. Remember that black pepper's taste and aroma is everything. I always add it to my food, like to my vegetables and other stuff. So I added tomatoes and then my herbs. Now I'm going to stir carefully, and yes, I'm going to stir fry for a little bit, and then I'm going to go to the next process. So the salt I added was not enough. I added half Maggi cube, that's the seasoning. So I'm going to stir again, stir fry, and then I'm going to taste if the salt is okay, of course. And yes, the salt was very okay at this point. So I have to cover for like 1 minute so that the vegetables will cook a little. Remember not to cook your vegetable too soft, okay, so that it will not lose all its nutrients. So I added a little black pepper more because the one I added earlier was not enough. I love my food to be spicy, like really hot. And yes, that's the reason for that. Guys, you have to give this one a try. Honestly, it is so delicious and healthy. Take a look at this, and it looks also very beautiful as well. Now it's time to eat. That's how I prepare this delicious chicken with potato and vegetables you are seeing here. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on my Facebook page, TikTok, and Instagram. Also help me to share the video. See you in the next one. Bye.